Okay, right now we are extending the bamboo bench. About this bamboo bench, we talked about previous video, but this is a special video because the bamboo bench is totally complete for settlement, and this area is very absolutely fantastic. And if you look the surroundings, it's also beautiful and it's like so memorable. And the owner, maybe the homestead owner, though, does this, and the bamboo bench maybe for does this for taking the rest to do something, and it must help you any kind of person as much as I know, because the farmers who work in this field, he can take a rest, and also he can do some little bit work and many other things he can do easily. And if you look around this, also the shelters is totally done by different kind of like different kind of natural leaves and natural things, natural different kind of, it's called in Bangla kaya. And also there is a poly of green, is a green poly, it's around blue poly, and this poly was given not to calm the rain if anyone sleep on this bench and etc things. There are also some painting was done, very beautiful color. This is a sky color painting, and overall it is very fantastic to look at that, because it's very nice way. And most important thing, this house is structure is very good, very protectable structure. 2 3 years easily can be used it without replacement. And overall very interesting. If you should look just the surroundings is very important and very sure, and this type of shelter should be needed and must help you, not only the owner but also any other person. I hope this type of shelter, this type of huge land, there should be one at least, then anyone can take a rest, especially the farmers who does it. And it's on the pleasure moment, because this is homestead, one of the resting place, because surroundings is full of the trees and gives the shadow, and shadow gives the air. This is a natural way, cold air comes like this. And I like these shelters, and who made it, I thank him, because it's also a good place for taking and also for me to making the video. Over, it's very beautiful right now. Before it was raining, but it is stopped. So the shelter, I like it too much, and shelters looks very beautiful, everything is very awesome, and now the color is absolutely very good and fantastic. And if I give you some important equipment, what is the equipment used to make this bench, like bamboo, wood, different kind of natural, like pillar as a used of bamboo, also that mango tree, and behind this is another tree just as a pillar. And also the slope, there is also slope. This bench was established beside a canal and also beside the slope, and to do a better experience for everyone. And this is the something to experience. I already talked about the whole thing about this like bamboo bench, and I like it too much because its color is awesome. So I hope this is the important video for you. You can also describe your any kind of bench like this way, whatever you know. So I have to leave this video from now. I'll come back to another moment, another session. Goodbye for that time. Assalamu alaikum.